So we had an issue this morning with the boat not starting and a little smoke coming out of the battery, so we thought that's not a good thing. So we're improvising.
Plan B.
Plan B. We're headed out to the Skyway fishing pier. We'll tell you how it goes. We're paying to get in and the rules. We're going to drive down to the inn. Let's see what we find.
The other bridge here.
So it wasn't what Billy wanted to catch, but we're getting it out of the water.
There's like another line attached to it. Just my hands. Nobody even gonna give me a hand, huh?
Good catch, Billy.
You don't know how old you're into. Oh, got a little gross crabs. Here, you're
So this is the first spot on the Skyway we're trying, almost near the end of it.
Something to keep them in or no?
Bender on the hog ball and the live shrimp, bringing in a nice mango. You gonna bring them up?
I am. He's like, I thought somebody let him go. He's talking about trying to
Keep it.
Let's see if someone wants it.
We got a freaking cooler. I got a bag you can throw them in.
What am I doing? Where's the bag you throw them in? Let's keep it.
Top pouch of my backpack. My bag, top.
So you want them? Gringo?
Yeah.
He looks at you.
Yeah, he's 12.